I've got both business field and battlefield covered. The goddess of wealth is here. Get in line for your blessing. Come to me if you want to be rich. Even Lord Hayate is impressed by how unimaginably wealthy I am. Everyone in Sumeru worships me, except for Wukong, that outcast. Going to Astrid right after praying for my favor? Greedy. Ha-ha! Ha-ha-ha-ha-ha! Make it quick. I've still got a business to run. How about some auspicious words before battle? Rich and powerful like me. I get it that you're jealous. I can get you everything, but you'll have to pay the price. I think I'm getting carried away with all these offerings. Oh, don't call me boss. Address me as the chief. Your fortune star is back. Who doesn't want to befriend the goddess of wealth? I am the goddess of wealth, and also the goddess of something lethal. If you come to Sumeru, make sure to stay in one of my taverns. It's not how you treat the goddess of wealth. Time is money. Surrender now! Don't ever mess with me! My tavern needs a part-timer, and you're it! You're not losing on purpose, are you? More money! Who doesn't love it? Get overwhelmed! Cashing in! Rolling in dough! Money! Ravaging wind sweep! Gavonya! Zambanging zochonga vonya! Sosmila, subishu zanan tashorin!